MacroFab's box build assembly offerings include anything from control paneling to rivet assemblies, potting, different type of potting epoxies to fill epoxies, wire harnesses, cabling, routing. We do sonic weld. We do all the second assembly box builds. My team also does the soldering. We also have a test technician on site with us that helps us do a lot of the testing. So we can start from programming a board to functional testing to final QA testing. I mean, name it, we do it. If not, we figure out how to do it and we get the job done. So when a box build is first presented to MacroFab, we start off with the FA, which is called first article. So with the first article, it can be anywhere from 5 pieces to 10 pieces to 15 pieces. And that's when the NPIE comes in. We'll sit down, they'll have their work instructions, we'll go over the build from start to finish to make sure that each work instruction they have provided us is properly dated, all the data is right. It helps me and my team as we're building to make sure that the steps that we are doing are accurate. If there's any kind of confusion, maybe I don't understand, NPIEs are always there on site to help me go through the process, help me go through the work instructions. If I have anything wrong with the tooling, might be a wrong tooling, they're there to help me to make sure we use the right tooling and anything that needs to help fulfill that job. A box build assembly line at MacroFab consists of a series of workstations, and each workstation has a specific performing duty that we have to do before we can move on to the next. And it goes all the way down the line until we have the final product. The first steps of a box build would be the incoming embalm kit. Once we get the incoming embalm kit, we'll pull work instructions, we'll pull everything we need to set up the line to build that product at that time. Each station will stop what they're doing after they finish their performing duty or performing task, and a QA person will come in, go over the whole QA process and make sure that each component, each wire, whatever it may be at the time, is properly installed. After we build the final product, it's either we can do labeling. Some jobs will like their components labeled, or sometimes the packaging. Some customers like special packaging. We have boxes, we have bubble wrap, we have ESD bags that we would put in with the desiccant, properly wrap it, properly secure it, close it, and box it so that whenever we do take it to shipping, the customer will get it and it would not be damaged. And then we take it to shipping and deliver it, hopefully with a smile. MacroFab is different from other companies in many ways. To me, I feel like we're a whole. We're under one whole umbrella. We do the manufacturing side and the second assembly side. So anytime we have problems, we have in-house engineers, in-house development, we have our customer service team, we have our NPIE team, so also the warehouse. Anytime we have an issue, we all come together and we make sure that the customer is very happy, leaving behind no issues as we ship out the product.